So today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to make a website for absolutely free. Alright, so first off you're going to want a good looking domain name, so you can get one free from here. The website is .tk. I'll put all these in the description for you. Yeah, so basically you just type in the domain you want. Yeah, so just, I don't know, anything for this case. Yeah, so basically you can use this website, use this domain to go to like direct you to your hosting. So hosting is yeah, and you can register it free for up to 12 months, and then you have to renew it. Okay, so basically with your hosting, this is where so a domain basically points to your hosting. So when users enter the domain up here, they are redirected to your like hosting, which is where all your website files are stored. Okay, so there are a couple of ways to do this for free. 000webhost.com is where I actually use my hosting, but that you get just like it's free, and you get a gig and a half, I think it was, yeah, of just for website data and stuff like that. So you can upgrade to premium, and that gives you things like unlimited disk space and data transfer. So yeah, so you basically just sign up here for that, and you enter your details and what have you, and you have hosting. This is really good if you want a free database as well. You can get free SQL and things like that. You can use your own domain name, which you got from .tk, or you can sign up for this free one, which will give you .site11.com. I'm not sure exactly, but I think you would have to sign up for this one, for the free one, and then use this to shorten, so mysite.site11.com. So that would be the domain name you got from here, and that would basically just shorten it. Dropbox is another great way, so I think you can get up to 2 or 4 gig free, and also like obviously upgrade that for a paid price if you're willing to do that. And this is great because you don't have to pay monthly fees, I'm pretty sure, with Dropbox, but Dropbox lets you upload all your files and stuff like that, and you have a public Dropbox. So basically that works by going into your Dropbox. There's a public file here, and that automatically syncs with the web, and yeah, basically has everything you need. That's what I use if you're creating your website. So with iWeb, I mainly use Dropbox for hosting iWeb websites. So obviously if you're running a Mac, good thing to use is iWeb, and I'm not going to go through, I might do an iWeb tutorial later, but basically that's one of the ways you can create your website. You can also use WordPress, which is a blogging website, but I use WordPress for my website. I'll put a link to that in the description. Yeah, so WordPress basically is just yeah, you can manage posts and like upload media and stuff like that for viewers to look at. You can also get a bunch of cool themes. So these are basically presets which you can just modify or add your own information in. It's great for a small business or something like that. Yeah, so you guys can check them out. I'll put all these links in the description. Next one's Joomla, very similar to WordPress. It's a little more like you got to be a little more cluey, I think. But I haven't really used much of Joomla, but I think you can do a fair bit more with it. So if you're willing to try it, I definitely recommend you check that one out. You can also use Tumblr. Now, I know I might get some hate for this, but if you use Tumblr, you obviously know how it works. It's kind of similar to the way you'd use WordPress, but yeah, so basically it gives you your free .tumblr website. You could also use this .tk to redirect to your .tumblr. So obviously that would look like, and that's how you do that. Yeah, so you can just make a blog pretty much if you're looking to make a blogging website. And then webs. Webs is a great way to do all this in one. So I used to make a lot of websites, but I found there was limited things you can do with it. But if you're looking to just get started, I was making these when I was younger. And yeah, basically all your hosting, all your domain and everything, and there's premium as well, so you can get like .coms and stuff like that. If you are looking to get just a .com and you don't want that .tk or .tumblr or whatever, you can get them pretty cheap. I get mine from here, and Crazy Domains cost like, I don't know, I pay $7 a year or something for my domain name. It's really cheap. Yeah, so like .com's from only $3. I'm not sure if that's, I did do a search the other day, but yeah. And they have hosting and website builders and stuff like that here as well. So everything you need is also here, but this costs money if you're willing to make it look that much more professional. Yeah, I think that's about it. So just leave your comments and maybe a link to your website that you've made. I'll check it out. And yeah, so take a look at my website as well. I'll leave a link in the description. Tell me if you like it. Alright, see you guys.